Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Python. Today in this video we are going to learn about variables and data types. Okay. So here we are going to take one scenario. Okay. Announcement from sports club. We are conducting a sports meet on the eve of Children's Day. So please fill the application form. So you are given a application form. What is that? What are the fields are in that? Name, age, height. Previously have you participated? Okay. What is the name? What is the name? Vaishnavi. Age 12. Height 4.8. Previously have you participated or not? Yes. Okay. The name, age, height, previously have you participated. These are nothing but variables. Okay, these are nothing but variables. Vaishnavi 12, 4.8. Have you participated or not? Yes. So these are the values. Okay. So next, here we are going to understand what are variables. Variables are like containers. What is here? I have taken a glass of water. So inside the glass is behaving like a container. Inside the glass, what we have? Water is a value. So glass is a container, water is a value. So similarly, uh, what we can do, we can replace water with juice. Okay, we can replace water with juice. So I'm taking a glass of water, right? I'm replacing water with a juice. So here values in a variables can be changed. So what is that? Values in a variables can be changed. So values are data types. Every value is a type of data. Okay, every value is a type of data. So here we are going to learn about data types. Some commonly used data types are string, integer, float, boolean. Okay, string, integer, float and boolean. So we are going to see step by step. Okay, what is string here? String is nothing but it is a stream of characters enclosed within quotes. Stream of characters. Vaishnavi is a Vaishnavi. These are characters, right? These characters are enclosed within quotes. So this is nothing but a string. So stream of characters can be capital letters, capital A to Z. It can be small letters, small a to Z. It can be digits 0 to 9. It can have a special characters also. I have mentioned here, and it can have a space also. So for example, we will see some examples. Okay, hello. Here we have a double quotes. Hello space world. After the world we have exclamatory mark and double quotes. Okay, inside the double quotes what we have? Hello space world exclamatory mark. This is nothing but a string. String is nothing but stream of characters enclosed within a quotes. Characters must be capital letters, small letters, digits, special characters, space. Okay. So next we are going to learn about integer. Integer is a number. All numbers either positive or negative without any fractional part. It can be either positive or negative number, but it cannot have any fractional part. Here we have seen -4, -5, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. So integers as a character. Integers as a character. We can see one example. Okay, here 2. 2 is a number. 2 is a digit. Okay. It is an integer. The same 2 we have written inside the double quotes. So it is behaving like a string. Why it is behaving like a string? As we have learnt already, string is a stream of characters that are enclosed in double quotes. That character must be a digit, special characters, space, or capital letters or small letters. Right. So next we are going to learn about float. What is float? Any number with a decimal part either positive or negative. Any number with a decimal part either positive or negative. Some numbers we have taken here: 11.2, 44.523, 65.84 minus 48.12. Okay, so for example, we have taken here 11.2. 11.2 point is a decimal point and 2 is a fractional part. After the point we have a number digits, right, that are nothing but fractional parts. Okay, for example, we have taking one example. Okay, 12. 12 is a digit. 12 is a digit and it is an integer. For 12 we are adding 0.0. Okay, 12.0. 12.0, here we have a decimal point within fractional part. This is nothing but a float. The same thing we are writing inside the double quotes. It is acting as a string. It is a string. So next here we are going to learn about Boolean. Data that can have only one of two possible values. Data that can only have one of two possible values. Okay, either it can have a true or false, or it can have yes or no, 0 or 1, on or off. Okay, here syntax, we can see here syntax. Okay, example, T is a capital, T is a capital, T remaining letters are RU in small letters. So whenever we are writing in Boolean true, so first value must be capital letter. T, R, remaining three letters are small letters. Similarly, for false, first letter should be a capital letter, remaining letter should be small letters. We can't write small t, R, U, E. If we write like this, we get error. Okay. So whenever we are writing in Python true, we have to write capital T. Okay. So for example, we are writing T, R, U, E. So it is a Boolean. If we write this true inside the double quotes, it is a string. It is a string. So next here we are going to learn about Boolean. Data that can have only one of two possible values. Data that can only have one of two possible values. Okay, either it can have a true or false, or it can have yes or no, 0 or 1, on or off. Okay, here syntax, we can see here syntax. Okay, example, T is a capital, T is a capital, T remaining letters are RU in small letters. So whenever we are writing in Boolean true, so first value must be capital letter. T, R, remaining three letters are small letters. Similarly, for false, first letter should be a capital letter, remaining letter should be small letters. We can't write small t, R, U, E. If we write like this, we get error. Okay. So whenever we are writing in Python true, we have to write capital T. Okay. So for example, we are writing T, R, U, E. So it is a Boolean. If we write this true inside the double quotes, it is a string. It is a string. So we have seen in the starting of the video one application form, right? What is that? Containing some fields, right? Name, age, height, previously have you participated or not? Name, what we have taken, Vaishnavi, age 12, height 4.8, previously have you participated or not? Yes or no? Yes. So here name, age, height, previously have you participated or not? These are all variables. Okay, name, age, height, previously have you participated? These are variables. And Vaishnavi 12, 4.8, yes, these are all values. Name Vaishnavi is the value which is stored in name variable. 12 is the value which is stored in age variable. 4.8 is the value which is stored in height variable. Yes is the variable which is stored in, yes is the value which is stored in previously have you participated or not variable. Okay, so name Vaishnavi is written in double quotes. Okay, within double quotes. So this is a string data type. Okay, what is this? This is a string data type. 12 is a digit, so it is an integer. 4.8 it has decimal point and fraction, so it is a float. Here we have yes or no. Okay, yes, these are Boolean. So here we are going to learn a new topic about assignment operator. What is the heading here? Assigning a value to a variable. Assigning value to a variable. What we have taken here? Age is equal to 12. Age Age is nothing but a variable. 12 is nothing but a value. 12 value which is stored in age variable. Okay. So see here, assigning 12 integer value to a age a variable. Okay, age is equal to 12. Okay, age is a variable name, 12 is a value, and is equal to is nothing but an assignment operator. Okay, is equal to is nothing but assignment operator. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, comment and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos like this. Bye. Take care.